Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Drift for AI chat lead automation step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Drift's official website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a sign up form. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from Drift. Open your email inbox and find the confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Drift website. Log in using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Integrations or Marketplace. Select the Explore Integrations option. Search for the AI Chat Lead Automation tool. Once found, click on it to view more details. Read about the features and benefits of the tool. If it meets your needs, click on the Install or Get Started button. Follow any additional prompts to complete the installation process. Configure your settings according to your requirements. Test the AI Chat Lead Automation feature to ensure it's working correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.